All right, we are live. Good morning, everyone. I just want to start off by saying today is going to be a rocky day in the market. Tariffs, tariffs have been instilled today, starting today, uh, for Canada and Mexico. I'm not sure if the Chinese ones or that extra 10% that they were talking about went in today. I tried to trade this morning already. As you can see, the account's down, so I'm already down 2% on the day. I tried to take this short, looking for the lows here, and I just got taken out by the volatility. And this is just I I tried taking a trade before market open, hoping that maybe we would run a little bit without the extreme volatility. But even market open or pre-market here, we're still getting volatility, and this is a perfect example of why I do not trade when volatility is through the roof. Um, because these wicks just take out your stop losses. It is what it is. I talk about it all the time. I took a chance on it. I'm not upset with it. It's a good setup, and I can almost guarantee you that we're going to fall in about 2 minutes when the market opens, which is what I was banking on. Uh, I was hoping that we wouldn't get these spikes beforehand, and we would just get the sell off this morning because we have tariffs being implemented today. So it's gonna be a rocky week still. Again, you know, it is what it is. I went 4 days without taking any trades. I didn't take any trades yesterday either. So I was hoping to hopefully get a trade in this morning before the volatility kicked up. But even then, I was mistaken. So we'll see what happens. I got one more trade in me today. I only if I get two red trades in a row, then I call it a day and I wait for the next day. But get let's see if we can get that back today and then some. But I would expect some serious volatility even before the end of the day yesterday, before market closed. The volatility spiked. Um, and like I said, it's one of those weeks. There's nothing you can do about it. This might just be a week where you know, um, sit out because here we go. So market open here. I was expecting at least to get a run down to minimum these lows here, which is where my take profit was set. I got in here at the push of this candle to close. I was using this imbalance area as an inverse because we do have a downward trend. Um, it started to go in the right direction, but volatility, this swing up here took me out. And I would imagine that we're going to get a push down here at the very minimum. I wouldn't be surprised if we get some kind of decent sell off today because of the tariffs. And then we have news tomorrow again, news on Friday. We're going to have the tariff talk all week long this week. So it's just going to be another, ridiculous, volatile week. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to get rid of this area here. I left it up because I wanted to talk to you guys about that. I'll actually just lay it out for you real quick here while we're waiting for volatility. So we had this area of imbalance here that I just had up. I waited for the close on the opposite side. So my entry ended up being about here. My stop loss was above the area of imbalance, which is here, and I was targeting lows. Okay, this was the trade that I was just in. Obviously, I got taken out by this wick here, which was a possibility, but I was hoping, again, that I wasn't going to get the super volatility before market open. I knew we were going to get some, once the market opened, but I was hoping that we would get it to the downside. So um, maybe just too much of an early entry, but this is exactly what I thought we were going to end up getting here. So it is what it is. No big deal. The setup was good. I followed my strategy, took a chance on it. So can't win them all. So down 2% on the day so far. Probably a little bit more actually, because this wick moved so high, it took me out at like 2.4%. Yeah, this is exactly what I was picturing was going to happen. I just didn't think that we were going to get this wick here. Or at least I was hoping that we weren't going to get this wick. Because this was exactly what I was thinking was going to happen. This is why I took the trade. Yeah. And this is so when I talk about trading in high volatility, this is the problem. The setups are good. And there you go. My take profit would have been hit in 2 minutes in. The setups are good, but you end up getting these wicked candle movements that leaving these large wicks that take out stop losses. So this is the problem. Even having good setups, when the volatility is so high, even your good setups, your A plus and A setups, right, are less likely to work. And that's why most of the time I tend to just sit out. I haven't traded in the last 4 days. I haven't taken any trades because volatility has been, I mean, volatility now, the VVIX is at 127. This is ridiculous. Um, but because of that, you get these ridiculous movements that you wouldn't normally get um, in a less volatile market, right? So this setup would normally work on a average day in the market, right? With normal um, or less volatility, whatever. This setup would have worked, but it is what it is. Um, I can't be upset with it. I took the trade based on my strategy. It was the right play. I aimed for an appropriate spot. It was a 2-to-1 setup. This would have been a 4% trade here for me. And as you can see here, it would have hit. It would have hit. And we're probably going to continue to the downside. The problem is now is because now New York session is open, volatility is through the roof. We have way more volume that comes in, right? Now we're not even going to get any setups because of how high the volatility is. So, oh well, that might have been the trade for the day. It is what it is. No big deal. Learn from it. Move on to the next one. Yep. So anyway, welcome back to the channel where you watch me lose my trades day in and day out. I'm just kidding. I've actually done pretty well. I mean, I was up 2.2% in the account for a little while. I held really, really strong the past couple days with the volatility. I didn't make any trades. Um, so proud of myself for that. I saw this opportunity here, you know, nice area of imbalance here. Pre-market volume was decent as well. I knew that we're in this downtrend. I knew that the market was going to be all hype and whatever about the tariffs starting today. If we look at the larger time frames here, we are pushing down. So I went with the trend. Um, I did everything right, so I'm not upset that the trade didn't work out. I mean, obviously, I wish it would have, but what I'm saying is it wasn't like I got into a trade on, wishes and hopes, right? This was a good setup. It was based on my strategy. It would have worked if we didn't have high volatility, even pre-market, which is something. So no big deal. We wait for the next opportunity. Like I said, I got one more trade in me today. My rules are 2 red trades in a row. I walk away for the day and we come back to trade another day. So let's see what the market gives us. Again, we are in extreme um, heights now in volatility. So we're going to get some swings. Very dangerous kind of market to trade in. So fun times. Yeah, even in the 4 hour, you can see this setup here. So this was something that I wanted to talk about today. We have we have broken through this trend line, and we've done it with some strength. Okay, this trend line. Let's take a look at it on the day chart. Right, we have broken through, and we've done it with some strength. And if we continue today to the downside, we may have some serious downside. This trend line is 2 years strong. Okay, price has been respecting this trend line for 2 years. So if we break through and we continue, we may be looking at a substantial uh, pullback in price. It's a strong top possibility. And if you look here too, we have a double top on top of it, right? Double top at all-time highs, right? We had a strong pullback. We consolidated around this trend line and the support line here, and we have pushed through with some strength, pushed and closed below both. Okay, this is a really good setup here for a pretty decent correction in the market. So we may be looking at a pretty substantial correction in the market, and it kind of aligns with what's going on in the world as well. We got a lot of uncertainty happening. A bunch of things going on with Ukraine, with Russia, and now the rest of the world is mad at America because of the Ukrainian thing. Yeah, there's so the uncertainty level is actually rising versus, maybe we're getting some uh, certainty, right? And then I'm pretty sure I don't know if it's today or tomorrow. Some policies are going to be um, released or something like that, I believe, from Trump. So again, just more uncertainty. See, and then you get these wicked movements in your price action here. Yeah. It's almost like we should just take the week off, you know? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Mm-mm-mm. Let's just I'm curious as to what Bitcoin's actually running here. I wonder why. Well, let's take a look at it on the large time frame because Bitcoin, yeah, running. Big sell off for Bitcoin too. This isn't going to hold. I don't think. We got more downside. I would imagine we're gonna end up falling again today. At the very least, we're gonna trade in a range, but I would say that chances of us moving to the downside today again are pretty good, especially with volatility being up where it is. So today's like you either take a risky trade, leave yourself a ton of room, or you just don't trade today at all. Oh boy, craziness, craziness. Have any news today, right? I'm pretty sure all the news was Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah, we don't got nothing today. Yeah. Hmm. Crazy, crazy. Oh my goodness, look at that. See this? This is just wild. You can't trade in this. This is just wild. Hmm. Let's see where we're at here in the larger time frames. Yeah, we're gonna keep pushing down. I think we got some more sell off in us. Little indecision candle here. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see here. We're basically bouncing around lows of yesterday, but I'm pretty sure we have some downside in us. It's just very, very risky. Very risky. Well, while we're watching the market do nothing, I have been working on our AI agent for the Discord. We have the basic model set up already. Doing some live testing now. All right, so that's probably an issue. So I was able to get the AI agent is working, and you can converse um, in the Discord with her just by typing in a question, and it'll respond. What I'm trying to do now is make sure that there's access to up to date information. So you can ask for prices or sentiment, things like that. It does pretty good already with answering questions about strategies and the psychology, things like that. Um, but we're struggling a little bit with getting um, up to date information. So that's what we're working on now. And then what I'm going to do is once I get that segment working, I'm going to let one or two people, the more active ones in the Discord lately, have access to do some test runs, give some feedback and things like that, and then I'll slowly start to integrate some more and more of you into that. But a couple of days of testing and fine tuning here, and this is just the first version. I have big plans, but I want it to be able to do at least some basic stuff. And what's nice is there's no slash commands or anything like that. You just go to the specific channel that y'all can't see yet and just ask a question. Just type in a question and she'll answer you. All right. So, news API key. I don't think I have one of those. Yeah, look at this ridiculous movement. Hate it. Wild movements. Mm. What are all your thoughts on today? Where do you think we're headed? Risky, risky, risky. I want to take this to the downside. My problem is where's the safest place for the stop loss? And really, there's not really a safe place for stop losses in a market environment like this. That's the problem. Yeah, I'm gonna wait it out a little longer here. All right, last minute here for the 4 1-hour candles to close here. Let's see how they close. I think we're gonna get this push to the downside here. I think I'm gonna take a risk. I'm gonna take this short. It's risky, but I think we're headed down. We're gonna take it's a wide stop, but today is requires wide. This may not even. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. I think we have some significant downside today still, so let's see if this plays out here. Not bad so far. I'm not trying to stay in this long. Let's just see what we can get out of it. Come on. I know you got more in you than that. Moving stop loss to break even. Might be too early, but I don't care because this is super volatile times. See if we can get some more downside out of this. Come on. Let's go. Oh, my bad, guys. Can't see the P&L. That's my bad. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it. Bring it on down. Let's keep on moving. I know you got more in you. Let's kick it up a notch here. Let's keep that momentum to the downside. There we go. That's it. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Starting to struggle a little bit. I think we still have more. Hmm. Maybe not. Come on. Okay. Volatility in the price action is crazy. Let's bring it down, baby. Come on, Bears. You've had control for quite some time now. Let's keep the momentum here. I'm on your side here. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. There we go. Another strong push down. Let's get one more leg down. Come on. This is what you have to do, by the way. You got to pep talk the market. You got to give a little pep talk. You got to be in its corner, you know? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push, push, push. Get that downside. Come on. Starting to get stuck here. Come on. Another leg down. We're fighting. We're fighting. Let's go, Bears. Duh, Bears. Let's go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Beautiful. Let's get past these wicks here. Come on. Volatility's still increasing. We're still pushing up. So mm, I'm gonna take profits here soon if we don't get another push down here. Come on. Give us that leg down. One more push down. Let's go. Right here. Let's do it. Push, push. Let's break these wicks. Let's go. Come on. Push. Think we got it. Let's do it. That's it. That's it. One more to go. Let's push past that wick there, and I think we're going to get another leg down here. Come on. We can do it. Yes, that's it. That's it. Push. Feel like I'm coaching someone in birth. Let's go. Push. Push. Yeah. Come on. It wants to go. We're getting some fight. I don't know if we have enough. I want to stay in this because I believe we have more downside, but I don't want to at least lose my what I'm at here because I'm almost break even at this point. Come on, give us that push down. That's it. Come on, give it up. We're so close there. All right, I'm gonna take my profits there because nice. Basically break even today so far. I'm okay with that. Oof. When the volatility is so high and you get movements like that, man, boy, does your heart start racing when you're in there, you know? Like, I wanted to hang in there because I really do believe that we have some legit downside now. I really do think we are on the other side and we are looking at a significant correction in the market now. And but it's just with the volatility so high, I mean, at any point in time, this price could just shoot right back up to the other side there. And I'd rather at least break even today than be under just because I was looking for more. You know what I mean? I don't want to be greedy. That doesn't ever work out. So at least I'm break even on the day. Lost one, won one. Cool. Break even. I'll take it. That was a nice trade. I knew we were going to get the break there. I set a very wide stop. Otherwise, this would have been normally this is like a 4.5% trade, right? But because of the volatility, I set a very wide stop. I was in drawdown for a minute or two, and then we just pushed. But again, it's just volatility. It's just these wicked movements. Um, but I held in as long as I could. I waited to um, let the price at least try to play something out here, and then I just took my profits at break even for the day because um, I don't want to be greedy. And then I knew that this was a possibility, right? So I'm happy with that. Again, I'm happy with the first trade too. I took it responsibly. I took it based on my strategy solely. We just got taken out with the extreme volatility. I waited. I waited for the appropriate moment to get in for another leg to the downside. We got that leg. I wrote it down as far as I could here, and ended up break even for the day. You know, I'll take it. I'll take it. Not mad at it at all. And so now, what I'd like to do is continue working while we're waiting for price to do its thing here. I might get into another trade here. It really depends. Um, I don't, I don't want to be honest with you. It really has to be a decent setup for me to even try because I'm not. I'll take the break even on the day. You know what I mean? I don't want to lose that. And then on a day like today, like you know, all over the place. So, uh, yeah, totally cool with what we have so far. Uh, yeah. I'm glad I caught that though. I'm glad you guys got to see that. That was a nice trade. Like I said, I set a wide enough stop just in case, for these movements out there. Um, so beautiful. Nice, nice. I'll take it. Wait for the next one. That's all we could do. That's all we could do. So, I want to now, let's see if I can move some of this down here. Do, 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 do. And, window. Nope. There we go. Let's go here. No. All right. That's fine. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Uh, nope. Here. No. 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 Um, is this what we're running on? What's in here? No, that's that. What's that? Can I get rid of this? If I get rid of that, does she still work? Yeah, we got more downside. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Not financial advice. She's still up and running there. Yep. Okay. So what I need to do now is let's open this back up. We do not have the API keys in here, but this is not where they're held. So there's our another push down there. There's our next leg down, right? I knowed it. Oh, maybe here. News API. Cache. Okay. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm telling you, we're getting a we're getting a pullback. Market is not happy. Happy, happy, happy. Utilities, terminal. Come back over here. Oh, yeah. We are pushing. Actually, run easier for long-term use. If you want a user-friendly interface, you can use IDE like VS Code or Yeah, I don't have that though. That's the thing. To print. No. I have to change my API keys. Yep. Definitely could have hung in there longer, but you know what? I'm okay with it. Volatility is still pushing up and like not a little bit. It's running. All right, we could call this a little area here. I mean, how much more downside do we have, right? Let's take a look at the day chart here. All right, we're getting close to a support here. Um, yeah. So this is like, all right, let's hold up here and see how price reacts to the support level. Because we have pushed down before, but this was all in a day. And you can see how, like, in the same day, we pushed way down, bounced off of support, and came back up. Here, we didn't get a pullback. We pushed through and we closed strong. And now the next day, we are pushing through again. And this is a strong push, right? So unless we get a super strong bounce off of this support here to reverse this and come back up, then we are looking at a correction in the market, right? And so where are we going from here? The next support is at, what are we looking at here? 19,493. I mean, you might even, no, that's, yeah, we can call it about 19.5 if we break through the support that we're about to hit here, right? This would almost be more fun watching this on the larger time frames today, right? Yeah, so we're getting close to the support here, and you can see how price is starting to slow down also. Let's take this in the 15. Let's watch the 15. Um, right. So we are starting to get some slowdown here. We are starting to get, possibly a little bit of support here. Here's that support line, basically right at 20,000. So that's going to be a big number, right? 20,000. Can we hold 20,000 in the NASDAQ or not? And if we don't hold 20,000 in the NASDAQ, then I'd say we definitely going to be pushing down and getting a significant uh, correction in the market. I don't know how much, who knows? I guess it would depend on what's happening economically and in the world, right? What's going on with macro economics at this point? Because I think that's where we're getting the sell off from anyway. Like, this is macroeconomics. This is world stuff, right? This is not necessarily things that are going on here in the U.S., although it affects the U.S., right? Well, let's try to run this command and place your new key with the new API keys. Well, All right, so where's my terminal? Let's get the terminal, and we are going to, I know I don't have a Fred key. Right, there's nothing there, so echo. Okay, I do have that, so I do have a Fred API key somewhere. Notes. I have 3 monitors, and I have way too much stuff open. I can't even keep track of all the windows I have open here. Where is my keys? Here are my keys. Here they are. Fred API key right there. Copy. Paste. Command not found. My ChatGPT says command not found. What are you telling me? I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to code. ChatGPT and Grok tells me everything. I just copy and paste. And you know what? It works. Uh, oh, okay. All right, so let's copy this. Let's put it here. Boom. Did that work? Let's find out. But I'm learning it as I go here. Use API. Oops, no. New Fred API key. Echo. Okay, beautiful. That's there. That works. Now to be a key set. Restore your bot. That's not the right one. I think it's because it's in a virtual environment. It needs to be the other one. Yeah, it needs to be. Back to here, back to here. No. All right, we're getting some support here in the price. Take a look what the 1 minute looks like. Okay. It's not a terrible setup here for a long, but I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Overall trend is still down, so until I see confirmation of a reversal, I'm not techie. Mm, mm. Nope, nope. Okay, I found a virtual design. Should once inside. Oh, I see. Okay, now we can go. Hmm. Whoops. Oh boy. Yeah, see, I don't think we got enough to continue to the upside. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I'm telling you, I think we got some poopy doopies coming. I really do. It's actually named Bob PY. Oh, there we go. Stupid. Run. Sorry, guys. I'm learning Python coding while we're on the live here, waiting for price here to play out. Okay. So then we do ls bot.py. Yep, those are both in there. We do Python bot.py. There we go. I think. Logged in. There we go. Oh, I almost said the name. Yes. The AI agent has a name, picture, all the things. Here comes another dump in price here. We don't have anything on the way up that we left behind that we could try to trade off of. So still nothing here. Volatility is still through the roof. Tis what it is. If you prefer to rename it, no, that's fine. All right. So now that we got that in there, let's see if we can actually get some up-to-date things. To run it, always, okay, let me copy paste some of this stuff here first. Too many windows. Let's paste that there. To run blank name. Can't tell you yet. Or, oops. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Nope. All right. Copy. Nope. Wrong window. Oh my goodness. Too many. Too many windows. Still struggling with getting accurate, up-to-date information like prices and things. It should be pretty simple, but I don't have a clue about what I'm doing when it comes to this stuff. So I'm taking the long route, and it's okay because I love to learn. Um, let's check if yeah, Bright is working. Run this inside your virtual environment. Okay. So let's close this out. Let's get a new window. Let's open our virtual environment. I think this is this one. Put this here. Yep. Now we're inside the virtual. Nope. This one. Let's place this. Um, I don't know if that's mm. Oh, come on. Come on, ChatGPT, wake up. I pay for you. Should be no lag time. You should now see a pattern like this. Okay, so we're still inside the environment. Let's go to 3. Okay, and now, yes, copy this. We put it here. Hit enter, I think. Consolidation, manipulation, maybe. What are we in the? Just a 1 minute. It's not much of a manipulation, but hmm. Not get anything. Oh, there we go. Um, Let's close this out. We got another terminal window. Get back to our, nope. And then what are we looking to do? Already satisfied. All that's already in there. I already did it all. Boy. Okay, let me put this over here because I'm gonna be able to see the chart still. All right, now we have to go into. I'm looking for, no, this window. Okay, looking for get stock price. Uh, get stock price. Okay. Okay. All right. What do we got going on here? Nothing? Nothing. Okay. Okay. So you have to use the actual tickers. I don't like that. I want you to be able to just type in whatever name of the stock or whatever. How about Grace Crypto working? What is the price of Ethereum? Same thing. Got to use the tickers, but the price is working. All right. Well, that part of the AI is working. Oh, thanks for the like. Thank you. Appreciate you. I know I'm not focused. I'm sorry. I'm not focused because nothing's going on in the market and volatility is ridiculously high. So I'm not really, um, planning on making any more trades today. But I do like to be live just in case something happens. But I am currently building out the AI agent that is within the Discord. You can't see her yet, but she's there. and I'm chatting with her. And it's really cool. It's not slash commands. It's not anything like that. It's you go to the channel and you just talk. You just type in and talk as if you were typing into ChatGPT. Um, and she answers you. Right now, I'm working on making sure she gets live data to you guys. What is the market sentiment today? And that is the struggle currently. Yeah. So right now, she'll give you accurate prices if you ask, but you have to use the ticker. I'm going to try to change that. And then I'm still not getting like a sentiment or anything. So I'm going to copy all of this in here and see what ChatGPT has to say for itself. Paste. Did I not get it all? Oh, it just stopped. Okay. See what it comes up with. Okay. Well, I didn't trade at all in the last 4 days. I made 2 trades today, one negative trade and one positive trade, which leaves me break even. So it's like I've done nothing a week. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so let's see. Definitely get sentiment. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I asked you to do the first time. Okay, so replace your existing function with this. Update get sentiment function. Where did that at? You guys are watching me live basically build the AI agent that's going to be in our Discord, which is really cool. And it's coming soon because most of it's working. The first version. I have big plans for it. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it because I'm learning along the way, but um, the first version is pretty cool. You can ask it about strategies. It'll explain strategies to you. You can ask it about psychology. It'll give you accurate answers for all that stuff, and then you can ask it for prices and whatnot. I'm fine tuning now to make sure that it's getting accurate data before it gives you the AI response, so it can meld that together and give you a response. Yeah. So you can go into the chat, into the channel, and say, "Hey, can't know the name yet. Uh, what is market sentiment today?" And it'll give you an accurate answer. or what is the price of NVIDIA? Um, Currently, it'll give you that, but you have to use the ticker. So I'm trying to update it so that you can use the ticker or just the name NVIDIA, whatever. So we're working on it. It's coming along. It's pretty cool. I like it so far. I think it's going to be awesome to have in the Discord. It's going to add some great functionality, and you guys will be able to chat with an AI directly in the Discord, which I think is cool. I don't know if anybody else does that. Um, and if they do, let me know. Maybe I can check it out. But yeah, so what I'm going to do too is once I get this part working and I'm satisfied with it, I'm going to open it up to 1 or 2 or 3 of the active members that I have currently in Discord and give them access to it. Let them play around with it, get some feedback, do some adjustments, and then I'll slowly start to put it out there. But this is a pretty cool function that I don't know if I'm just going to let it be free. If you guys are in the Discord currently, if you're already a member, it'll be free for you, just like anything else will be free moving forward. Uh, but once I get this going, because this does require some, some pretty significant work, it requires me to have, server running and all this other stuff all the time. I don't know that I'm just going to let this be kind of a free thing. Um, so if you're at all interested in getting involved in our community, now would be the time to hop into our Discord while it's free. If you get in now, then you will have access to everything moving forward for free. So start sharing some links and start bringing some people in. Otherwise, they might have to pay for this feature once I get it going. Haven't quite decided yet. And of course, it's got to be working right. If I can't get it working the way I want it to be working for you guys, then obviously I'm not gonna go that route. It needs to be right. But once I get there, this is a pretty cool tool to have right in the Discord. All right, what am I looking at? Def get sentiment. Okay. Where are we at here? Definitely. I don't even see that in here. Hey, thanks for joining, guys. I don't know if you missed my whole spiel about the AI agent that we're working on currently for the Discord. Not sure if you were on already. That's what we're doing. If you are not a member of the Discord yet, link is in the description. You can get in now while this is all free. Once I get this AI agent up and working, I don't know that I'm going to keep it free. But if you're already a member, everything is free for life. What we got going on here? So I've already made 2 trades today, break even. I'm happy with that. Lots of volatility in the market today. Still increasing slowly too. We're at pretty high levels on the VVIX. So I don't know that I'm going to take any more trades today. But we've been working on our AI agent. See what we get there. Okay. I think I know I haven't really been attentive to the live today. My apologies. I'm super focused on trying to expand the Discord community and get this AI agent up and running here. So I'm going to continue doing that. Be careful today in the market, everyone. Watch your stop losses. If you're going to trade, leave yourself some extra room. Volatility is high. We got a lot of data coming out this week. And today, it's all about tariffs, right? The tariffs for Canada and Mexico kicked back in today. So there's a lot of talk going on. I haven't really been paying much attention, see if anything has changed with that. But I would expect some high volatility all week long. I would expect some continued sell off, just because of uncertainty in the market. And so just be careful. I will be back on tomorrow morning, everyone, same time. And I will keep everybody updated in the Discord. If you're not a member of the Discord yet, link is in the description. Get in now while it's free. It won't be free forever. If you get in, if you're a member, by the time I change everything over, you will have free access to everything moving forward. Anything I do, anything I add, courses, the AI stuff, any of that will be free for you. You're grandfathered in for life. So if you want access to all of that, join the Discord. Link in the description. Thank you to my subscribers. I appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, like, share, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Trade safe.